Today we are working in the red Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal, and we're working on 6.5, and the topic we're working on today is percent of change. For number one, it just says find the new amount. 120 books increased by 55%. So we're just going to take 120 and times that by 0.55. And the reason why we're doing it by 0.55, because remember the percent, it would be 0.55 as a decimal. 120 times 0.55 is going to be 66, and then we're just going to take that 66 and add it on to our original 120, and we're going to get 186 books. That's number one. Number two, 80 members decreased by 0.65. We're going to take our 80 members, we're going to times it by 0.65. I guess it was 65%. We're going to times it by 0.65. 80 times 0.65 is 52. And then we're just going to take 80 and subtract 52 from 80. We're going to get 28. Okay. Number 5 and 6 are a little bit more challenging. It says identify the percent of change as an increase or decrease, then find the percent of change. Round to the nearest tenth of a percent if necessary. So for number 5, we're going from 32 pages to 28 pages. So in my mind, that would be a decrease. So what we want to do is we want to subtract these two, 32 minus 28, and then we want to divide them by the original amount, which is 32. So essentially what we're going to end up with is 32 minus 28 is 4. And we're going to have 4 over 32, and then we want to go top divided by bottom. And if we do 4 divided by 32, we're going to get 12.5%. And that would be the percent of decrease for number 5, 12.5%. For number 6, we're going from 7 players to 10 players. So essentially what we want to do is we want to do 10 minus 7 all over the original, which is 7. So we're going to get 3 over 7. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go top divided by bottom and get a decimal. And actually, I forgot to tell you to times it by 100 if you didn't know it over here for that one. But top divided by bottom times 100, 3 divided by 7, and we're going to get something around 42.9%. And this is percent of change, and it is dealing with more percent on 6.5 in our red Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal.